Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. Today is the 20th of November. I'm seeing a buy. I want to set my take profits now. It's a system B buy. The trend is still bearish. However, I'm trying to take a little risk in the market. We've been having a lot of hedges, but so far in the last video we're able to make about 2,500. We started this account with $250 so far. Yeah, I've made a withdrawal of about 25,350. We made our last withdrawal 15,000, and so far we've made a profit of over 100k trading this account over the past 8 months. Okay, I'm gonna make a withdrawal at the end of this month. If you want to copy my trades, sign up with Mega Market, link in the description below. Make sure you have at least $350 and send me proof of that on Telegram. And if you want to test my software for free, also sign up with Mega Market. Make sure you have $150 in your account so that I know that you're serious about testing the software and trading with it. And yeah, send me proof of that on Telegram. With that being said, I'm just going to leave this trade. If it continues to go bearish, which it's more likely, then I'll hedge out this trade. If not, we hit a good take profit. We make a lot of profit on this trade. So yeah, when you can hedge, you can always take risk like this. And this is the kind of things I teach with my students. Okay, live trades like this. You can get that on hedgingmastermind.com. If you want to buy the course and trade live with me, we'll be taking live scalp trades, live swing trades. I'll share my screen on Zoom. We're taking it from the entry to maintaining the trades to the exit. Okay, and when it comes to hedging, also, I'm not using martingale hedging. I'm not using support and resistance. I don't use all those methods. I simply just trade price. Yeah, like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, if you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. With that being said, we'll be right back when we're into more profits on this trade, or if we hedge out this trade. All right, guys, and I'm back. I'm just recording it on my phone. Also, I had to hedge out this trade. I'm going to have to close this on my phone. Like, I can also see the mobile version of me hedging out this trade. So close that. Now to close the 8,000. Let's go, and that's closed also, fully hedged out. So in total, we're able to hedge out the loss of 8,000. I've done this many times. It's easy. It's not that complicated. I don't even need to hedge 3, 4, 5 times. I can simply hedge it out in a day. And we came out with about $300 profits. Anyways, like I said, I've been going more high risk, taking more risk in the market. So probably why I'm seeing more hedges. If the risk played out, I would have made some big profits. I still made some profit from hedging. This is why I like my hedging system, which I teach at hedgingmastermind.com. But yeah, we'll be right back when we have another trade in the market. Like, share, and subscribe.